Good morning, everyone. Yep, I have a sleepy face because it is 7 in the morning. Went to sleep close to 12:30, but since we're going to an adventure park today, we gotta have breakfast early so we can leave early, so we can get there early, of course. Big, huge problem going on right now. You guys probably could see it with like a haze going on. Is the humidity. So the room is at a certain temperature, outside is at a certain temperature, and when I come out from the room to the outside, the lens fogs up, it's all sweaty and everything, and that's what happens when you deal with coming to places that are humid. So I have my little towel here to help me out with drying the lens a little bit. But I mean, once it dries up, you know, and I could start recording whatever. But yeah, once I come out of the room for the first time and the camera comes out too, I get that little haze, and that's what you guys are seeing right now. So I apologize for that. I'm trying to fix that, find a way to fix that. But this view is gorgeous where we're gonna have breakfast.
¿Quién tiene los boletos para... ¿Quién tiene los boletos para esta?
And we are in. I have my band. This band is definitely going to help with any photo ops. The band is going to help with photo ops, the lunch that we get, and basically any experiences we're going to do. And so it should be a fun day. It's very humid. It's going to be like 82. Look. So this is the whole park. I gotta say that after about I want to say it was about an hour on that river. Amazing. Through caves, underneath the ground. I mean, the water was perfect. Right, Allison?
Yeah.
The water was perfect?
Yeah.
Why are you trying? You don't want to be on camera?
No, it's because I'm looking at the...
Oh, we got flamingos. Right over there. Conchas. These are way better than Vallarta back home, let me tell you. But then again, why would I even try to make a comparison? Wow.
Y hubieras dicho a
Right, Dad?
Lili que estamos aquí porque ellas le quieren comprar a Allison.
Número 1.
Wow. So now they have, not they, but you guys gotta look at these little turtles. Little squirt. But I'm headed now to this underwater walking. So I gotta put a helmet on. I get to walk for like 30 minutes underwater, so should be fun. How big this turtle is here. Look at that. This video does no justice at all. Massive. And I'm rushing to get to this other place, but I'll have to film it. Look over there. So got done doing the sea trek. There might be some watermarks on the video, but it's all good. And it's pretty cool. They have like this pressure thing that keeps the water from coming into your helmet, and you just walk around. You walk along a path that they have in open water, and then from there, it's about a 25-minute walk, and it's pretty legit. I really enjoyed it. Something else. Swimming with fishes, and then right when I walked in, this huge manta ray that just passed right on my right side. It's beautiful. So I have to say, as I'm walking to this amphitheater that we're going to right now, I probably saw 50% of what this park has to offer. And this park is enormous. I mean, there's so many activities aside from you just being able to buy your ticket in. There's so many other things you can do. You can go parasailing, you can go scuba diving, you can go snorkeling, you can go with the dolphins. There's just so many things you can do that I feel like if you guys come to Xcaret, you have to at least, I'm gonna say 3 days? 3 days?
Yeah. Because to enjoy everything, you need a lot of time. We're gonna come back here? No.
I don't know about that. Well, at least not this trip, but you at least need 3 days on your stay here to be able to fully or try to enjoy everything that this park has to offer. What a show! I have to say that show was spectacular. I mean, the history of Mexico, all the cultural stuff, the music. I mean, it was just beautiful. I think the show was about 2 hours long, but well worth it. Well worth sitting in the humidity, well worth sweating it out. It was great. And so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'm out.